Hello students, in this video we will discuss the multiple choice question based on paper Knowledge and Curriculum, Language Across Curriculum, Unit 4 Language and Curriculum. Language is, options are option A, system of words or signs that people use to express thoughts and feelings. Option B, a human system which changes frequently. Option C, a rule governed system that is expressed only in writing. Option D, a structure form system. And the correct option is option A, system of words or signs that people use to express thoughts and feelings. Interactive listening is, and the options are listening and responding. Option B, listening for mood and tone. Option C, listening for words, stress and emphasis. Option D, listening for finding out speaker's attitude. And the correct option is option A, that is interactive listening is listening and responding. LAC stands for, options are option A, language acquisition of content. Option B, language across curriculum. Option C, language acquisition culture. Option D, language across the cultures. And the correct option is answer option B. LAC stand for language across the curriculum. Pre-reading activity in class is option A, enable learners to know about the story which they would read ahead. Option B, connect learners' previous knowledge with she learn in the reading text. Option C, connect learners with one another. Option D, all of the above. And the correct option is option B, connect learners' previous knowledge with she learn in the reading text. Which of the following is not characteristics of language? Options are option A, language is arbitrary. Option B, language is concrete. Option C, language is self-reflexive. Option D, language is ambiguous. And the correct option is answer B, that is language is concrete. Reading skill can be developed based by, options are option A, writing answers to questions on text. Option B, focusing on the use of words from context in the text. Option C, doing vocabulary exercises. Option D, doing quizzes and playing word games. And the correct option is option B, focusing on the use of words from context in text. A student reads through an article in a newspaper to get the overall idea of the article. What is this practice known as? Options are option A, top-down model. Option B, bottom-up model. Option C, scanning. Option D, skimming. And the correct option is option C, scanning. Children can best learn a language when they having options are option A, a good textbook, option B, a proficient language teacher, option C, inhabitation, option D, motivation. And the correct option is motivation. Children can best learn a language when they having motivation. All of the following are conversational maximas except options are A option, tell the whole truth, option B, relate what you say to the topic discussed, option C, pause before speaking, option D, be orderly in what you say. And the correct option is option C, pause before you speaking. Extensive reading is options are option A, reading to write, option B, reading for pleasure and overall understanding of the text, option C, reading in detail every word and idea for deep understanding, option D, reading for facts. And the correct answer is answer B, that is extensive reading is a reading for pleasure and overall understanding of the text. What is the following strategy known as in reading? The text read more slowly and in detail to get the gist or overall sense of the text. Options are Lee skimming, option B, scaffold, option C, scanning, option D, summarizing. And the correct option is option A, that is Lee skimming. A teacher of class 7 asked her students to read a story and come to the class. She asked them to discuss the major points of the story in groups and present them to the whole class. And options are option A, reading for thinking, option B, extensive reading, option C, intensive reading, option D, reading with a purpose. And the correct option is option B, extensive reading. The aim of teaching English as per NCF 2005 is the creation of options are bilingualism, option B, multilingualism, option C, English only, option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option B, multilingualism. Multilingualism as a resource means options are option A, teaching many languages, option B, promoting of languages through content learning, option C, learning many languages in school, option D, using the languages of learners as a strategy school. And the correct option is option D, using the languages of learners as a strategy school. Mother tongue multilingualism advocates that option A, learner begins with their state language and more on to English medium. Option B, learners learn their mother tongue, Hindi and English from class 1. Option C, all learners learn in a mother tongue only in primary school. And option D, learners begins their schooling in mother tongue and move on to add many at least two languages in school. And the correct option is option D. Mother tongue multilingualism advocates that learners begins their schooling in mother tongue and move on to add at least two languages in school. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.